warrior in the funny choir. Virus. I have something to present with y'all. I am too loud, y'all. My parents is asleep, y'all. I mean, it's 2:34 this morning, y'all. And you guys taking a good day to do this, y'all. Happy 4th of July! I said, I'm going to take a couple of days. Please, when the light is in the corner of the punch, in the punch, on the drop area, feel Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, every there. I did yesterday, the person killed, but they go watch it. Friend doesn't pop in this screen. But right here doesn't link. Go to y'all, you guys. Now we're going to do a pursuit is there for all July. Okay, you do virus. Alright, my mama birthday come up. July 7, because her birthday party. I just do a comment down below and a holy birthday, mama. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Young day, y'all. There's a fireworks. Graduate pour at the main house. Something fun there. We did. Best band. Water slide. Swing slides. I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do this. Got gold out. I'll call it editing. Best band. Feelers. Go watch it right here. Go to the link. Go watch it. This is Tracy Figures there, guys. Some real fun in there, guys. Now, I'm in church. In the same church. So we're gonna get the food. On the door. And we're gonna go back to church and eat. We're gonna play the games in there. I live in there. Go to the church, y'all. Go watch it full even feel right here. Go check that out, you guys. Yo, this is Tracy there. So I did pop in on y'all. This right here. So we ready? 1, 2, 3. Fireworks! Happy 4th of July! Someone will call y'all my career. Someone don't go to bed. It is 2:40 this morning. Thank you so much, you guys, for the love, for the pour out there. Someone do Kiara, I love you. Happy birthday, Uri. It is 6. Mama, birthday. What was today? July 7, y'all. Hi, this y'all. I am excited. Some of you guys this with my parents and my little brother this room right there and sleep. My 2 parents, my mom and my dad, in the one room to sleep. So I'm going to watch on my show and lie down over the bed. Go to the bed, get in the morning. So I'm gonna get dressed. Go to my mama's house, paint the night there, and clean the carpets. The red carpet, clean that up. Now, I'm gonna get this morning. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna see you in this morning, y'all. So I'm gonna do leaving. You do 50,000 views. This videos. So then go right here. Go look at the funny quarter for July. I'm gonna probably every videos there. So I'm gonna turn on one more time, y'all. One more. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy 4th of July. And there the fireworks and there, my My cousin's house in the appointment there. Go watch it. So right here, pop. There's a pop in this room. Right in there. Gotta go watch it in light views. I also in this videos. So I'm gonna do and please when you look at every part of this video. So I'm gonna call you on my dad's house. Seek you every day. I do it and my videos, YouTube video, and my cut in this videos with y'all. This is a good day to do this in this video. I'm gonna see you this morning. I peace out. So I'm gonna day. I bye y'all. Happy 4th of July. Let's get it.